Welcome to biology class. Last day we learned about the structure of eye and ear. Today we are going to learn about the structure and function of tongue. First we are going to see the structure of tongue. It is a triangular shaped muscular organ, and this tongue is covered by a mucous membrane. It helps for the protection of tongue, or it keeps our tongue wet. And after that we can see some tiny bumps in our mouth and mainly in the surface of the tongue. These tiny bumps or projections that seen on the surface of tongue is called papillae. And this papillae contains taste buds. Now we are going to see what are taste buds. In case of eye, we know that some receptor cells are present. These receptor cells can convert a stimulus into impulse, and that message reaches in the brain. Like that, in case of tongue also, some receptor cells or specialized cells that can convert stimulus into impulse or electric signals. Then only it can transmit to the brain. So, the specialized cells or receptor cells that are called chemoreceptors. Then chemoreceptors are present in the mouth, mainly in the surface of the tongue. Then we know that there are 4 primary tastes. They are sweet, salt, sour and bitter. These tastes are known as primary taste. After that, some more tastes are identified. For example, umami taste. Do you know what is the taste of Ajinomoto? This is an example for umami taste. It gives more taste in our food. That special taste is umami. Now we are going to see the locations of this different taste in the tongue. First, in this triangular shaped tongue, the tip of the tongue, some taste receptors are present. These taste receptors are sweet taste receptors. These receptors can identify sweet taste. So, sweet taste is seen at the tip of the tongue. After that, in both sides of the tongue, you can see the salt taste. Salt receptors are present in the salt taste. Then after that, you can see the location of sour taste. First at the tip you can see sweet, after that you can see the salt, after that sour taste, and at the last part you can see the bitter taste. That means special type of receptors are present in the different parts of the tongue. We can identify this taste in different parts of the tongue because of the presence of different types of receptors in the tongue. Then these chemoreceptors are present in the projections on the surface of the tongue. Then group of that specialized cells or receptor cells is called taste buds. Then a taste buds is made up of specialized cells or chemoreceptors. Then when the substance that gives different taste that dissolves in the saliva. For example, taste of chocolate. When you eat chocolate, the taste of that chocolate dissolves, or substance that made up of this chocolate dissolves in the saliva. Then this substance can stimulate the receptors that present in the taste buds. Taste bud is made up of receptors, chemoreceptors, group of chemoreceptors. These are particular cells that can convert this stimulus into impulse. When the substance that gives taste stimulate these receptors or chemoreceptors in the taste bud stimulate, that time it converted to impulses, and these impulses reaches in cerebrum through different types of nerves. Nerves are connected from this taste buds to the cerebrum, and we can identify different taste. When you eat something, that message reaches in the brain, then only you can feel you like or dislike this taste. Then umami taste is a Japanese term that means happiness. That means this type of food item gives us happiness. We know that children like uh, this lace and that type of food because of this umami taste. In Ajinomoto, we know that in noodles and all, they are adding this Ajinomoto. In hotel, they are adding Ajinomoto to give more taste. Then when you eat that, when you smell that, you like to eat it. Then that give you a happiness. So that is the meaning of umami, happiness. Milk, meat, seafood, mushroom, etc. contain factors that provide the taste of umami. A sixth taste named oleogustus is also identified. It is the taste of lipids or fat. Then now we learned about 6 types of taste. These are primary taste. What is the taste of sambar? That is the mixture of these primary taste. So that is secondary taste. Thank you. Have a nice day.